Welcome to the Yoruba for Kidz Club. My name is Jolaade.
My name is Adewale.
My name is Danny.
Okay, so the reason that we created this channel is because that we are starting to learn Yoruba and our parents are teaching us, and we thought that you guys can join us on this fun little ride. So now we're going to try and say our name in Yoruba. I'm going to go first. My name is Jolaade, so I'll say Orukumini Jolaade.
Urugumi Adewale.
Urugumi Adewale.
So now let's get to the challenge.
Baby.
It's time for Q&A. So how we're going to do this challenge is that we have a bowl of questions that are one thing that we should know. And one person is going to pick it out and read the question out, and the other person has 15 seconds to answer it. If they don't get it in the 15 seconds, they can't get the point. And if they get it wrong, they don't get the point either. But if you get it right, you get 1 point. So let's get to the challenge.
Who do you think would win? Me or Jolaade?
Adewale, let's do rock, paper, scissors to decide who goes first.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going first.
Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy.
First question. What is 9 in Yoruba?
Messon.
Correct! 1 point for Adewale. Your turn, Adewale.
How do you say I want to eat in Yoruba?
Mofeje. Mofeje. One point for me. My turn. Kenya Goey.
What time is it?
What time is it? Yeah, that's the question I'm asking you. What's the time?
Five.
Aww. The question was, what time is it? We said. And the answer was, Ago. Whatever time it is around what time you're watching. Okay, next question. My turn. My turn.
What is the opposite of okay?
What?
Of okay.
Okay. Oh, Isale. Did I get it correct? Oh, you're right. Okay. My turn to ask a question. I'm gonna pick the deep one. Tiny open me ile.
What the people in your family?
Yeah, answer it.
Baba mi, mama mi, aburo mi, ebo mi.
Right. So the question was, who lives in your house? And what he said my dad, my mom, my older sibling, or my younger sibling. But if you want to be more specific, you can say their names, like Egbomi, Jolaade, Okay, so it's Adewale's turn.
What is the color black in Yoruba?
Juju.
Correct.
Yay! So, gotta pick this one. This is easy. What is the opposite of Dide?
Joko.
Correct! So, Dide means stand up, and Joko means sit down. Okay, your turn, Adewale.
Sing a Yoruba song.
A B D A F E G G E H G K L M N O O P R I S I S H T U V.
Correct.
Okay, so that was the alphabet song in Yoruba, and you can go check that one out on Yoruba for Kids. Okay, my turn. Can you say Dad is in the room in Yoruba?
Baba. Baba.
Okay, so you guys understood that in English, but so the answer was Baba mi wani yara. So let's keep going. So, Adewale's turn to answer. To ask. My turn to answer.
Who is older, Egbo or Aburo?
Egbo.
Is that right?
Yes. Anyway, my turn. Say, I want to sleep in Yoruba.
Mofesu.
Correct. Come on, go. That's pretty easy.
Say two sentences in Yoruba and tell us what it means.
Àbúrò mi wà ní balùwẹ̀, which means my little sibling is in the bathroom, and mo fẹ́ jẹ. No, I'm going wrong. I forgot this one. Okay, so this one. Easy. Kini orúkọ ẹ?
Orúkọ mi ni Adewale.
Ah! Correct! So we're under 15 seconds to finish it. That's right. Okay. Okay.
Kini oúnjẹ tí o fẹ́ràn jù. Answer in Yoruba.
What? What does that even mean?
Kini oúnjẹ tí o fẹ́ràn jù.
Oh, mo fẹ́.
Answer in Yoruba.
Mo fẹ́. Wait, does that mean what do I want to eat?
No!
Yes, figure it out on your own.
Okay, mo fẹ́ jẹ búrẹ́dì. Mo fẹ́ràn.
You got half.
Dang it! my turn. No, I picked.
Yeah.
So
what is the score?
I forgot.
What's the score?
Let's just keep going. We'll find out the score at the end.
I think we're tied.
Stay tuned to find out.
Hopefully you guys kept on track.
Or you can just stay tuned to the end and see who wins. Give the correct response. Bounty. Give the correct response. Bounty.
Daddy.
Yeah!
Okay.
So, oh, wait, sorry. Okay.
Oh, wow, this is almost done. Let's see. Name 2 animals in Yoruba.
Aja
Yep.
and Laba.
Good job.
Yeah! Okay.
Oh, okay. I think I know this.
Omodu Melonia.
So I have to respond. Omodu Mejo Nia.
No. The answer was Omodu, whatever age you are. And if you don't know your numbers, go check out that video. So let's just keep going. Okay, 3 questions left.
What does Mom say when she wants us to hurry in Yoruba? No. I know this answer.
Hurry.
No.
Hurry.
No.
That's what she says.
No.
I don't know.
Oh yeah. I know it's pretty weird.
What is the answer?
Is it? Oh yeah.
I can't. Sorry.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Listen. Count from 1 to 10 in Yoruba.
What did you say?
Count from 1 to 10 in Yoruba.
Iko meji meta meri mau mefa mejo mesonoa.
Watch the video on the correct channel.
Yeah.
Okay. The last question for today. Yeah.
Where is it? Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Normal questions. How do you say good morning in
To who? Depends.
good morning in Yoruba?
Carol. That's pretty simple.
Yeah.
Well, if you want to say a Carol, you can say a Carol
this
Babami.
question doesn't really make any sense. Cause like who? Like
Yeah.
it could be your mate or
It could be your.
an adult.
Oh yeah, it could be Carol or Carol.
Carol or a Carol.
So, writer, let's try to be more specific. Okay, that was our last question for today.
I hope you guys had fun watching this video.
Thanks for watching! Make sure to go on to www.yorubaforkids.com and do all the games and activities on there. And make sure to subscribe to our other channel, Yoruba for Kids. And make sure to smash that like button and turn on that post notification bell. And we will see you guys next time. Goodbye!